Alright, so we went out and got a new tow pig for double time. It's a 2008 Ram 2500 with the 6.7 liter Cummins in it. Unfortunately, it's automatic, but it was quite a good deal, so we got it anyway. It's in fairly good condition. The bed's kind of rusted out, but other than that, I mean, it's got solid rockers and fenders and cab mounts and everything are all good. So today we're going to be taking the steps off and installing one of these leveling kits made out of 1/4 inch plate here, because I don't want to mess with the spring rate any, so just want to put these pucks on it. And we're also going to be installing bilstein shocks for it to make it ride better, because the factory shocks are blown out, I believe, because it kind of has a little bit too much bounce to her, I think. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to get into it. So after looking at it for a minute, I believe the first thing I'm going to do is pull the top shock bolt off. Well, nut. It's right there. You probably can't even see it. Well, hold on, let me get the light on. Boom, look at that. Alright, it's right there. Go ahead and pull that out. And then what we'll do is we'll set it up on the lift here, and that will lift all the weight up off the spring, and essentially the diff should be able to drop pretty far because the shocks aren't hooked up anymore. Then we can go ahead and take the bottom bolt out of the shock, pull the spring out, set the spring back in with the puck on top of it, and then drop the truck back down on that, and then feed the shock through the top, put the bracket back on, bolt it down. That's the plan. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea of what we're dealing with here. Here's your coil spring. We'll call it a spring tower, strut tower, whatever. Basically what I did is I took the bolts out, pulled the shock out, wrapped the ratchet strap around the axle, pulled it down. You end up with this and this. This is what holds your bolts from spinning while you're tightening them down. And here would be the lift. Well, level, whatever you want to call it. And you just sit this using this stock spring or rubber thing, I don't know, and put it back with that spacer in there. Put these bolts on. I mean, hey, it's pretty simple. It's just getting that spring compressed is fun. I think I'm gonna have to figure something else out here for putting this one in though, because I don't think I got it pushed down far enough. We'll see. Okay, so a quick update. If you're doing this, you have to take off the sway bar link nut there, pop it off, because it holds tension on it, and then the suspension will relax further and give you more room to work with. So yeah. Okay, so we got one side installed here. Looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other side. Alright, I got it all together sitting on the ground, and I measured from the center of the wheel well to the ground, and it's perfectly level now with the 2-inch leveling kit. So if you were wondering what makes a stock truck perfectly level, a 2-inch leveling kit is the answer. So yeah, there's that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the rear shocks, and then we'll worry about these steps here. Alright, so that was our quick little transformation on the tow pig today. We're going to be getting wheels on it here soon. And yeah, should look pretty good. I think I'm going to try to find a clean bed for it. That way it has no rust on it, because I mean the body is very clean on this truck. It's just the bed that sucks. I mean, inner and outer rockers are just immaculate. The bed's just trashed, the inner and outer panel. This bed support is gone. And up toward the front, there's a rust hole in it right in here somewhere on the bed, so probably just get a whole different bed. Tailgate's in pretty good shape, just got some dents right here. No rust on it though. So yeah, there she is. Might go ahead and get a double time sticker for the back of that, huh? Hell yeah. Look at that shiny thing under there. Oh, wait. Fancy. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Hope to see you in the next video.